Good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Olu. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am deciding to create a new everyday look. And I showed this on my TikTok, so if you don't follow me there, go and follow me. Same name, just call me Olu everywhere. And so now I'm gonna do it inside to see if everything shows up. Because I know I was in the sun when I put it on before. So now let's see what happens without the sun. Okay, Chanel Cheek and Lip Balm was the first thing that I got that made me want to have a new face routine. I got the number 90 brush from Sephora, and yeah, it's kind of just like a touch of color. Not real makeup. It's also like considered skincare for them. And so I just put it on top of my actual skincare. Okay, I feel like in this lighting it kind of even looks more like a blush. Or at least I'm seeing it. Y'all tell me if y'all see it or if I'm making this up. Yeah. Yeah, just a little something. I don't know why we all started doing this, but I joined them. Yeah, it's just a little something. And then I use, or the plan was to use eyeliner, lip liner, which I finally did pick up. I think the name is 204 Brun Force. Oh, and one side is a brush, and one side is a pencil. Yes, it's a little something. Like, imagine, this is like the perfect brown for me. I did not overline my lip. I don't think it makes sense. Okay. And I wanted to use this because I liked how smooth it was, but also it was so smooth that I felt like I could use it on my eyes, my lip, and my eyebrows. Also dark enough. Yeah, because this is technically a lip pencil. Okay. Again, this is a lip and cheek balm. Yeah. I don't think anyone involved in this brush thought someone would be using it on their lips, but here I am. Yeah. It definitely has a consistency of a good lip balm. Just a little touch of color there too. And for the brows, I got the REFY, which, if you did see me use it on TikTok, I definitely saw this side, but I didn't realize the other side was a brush comb situation. So we'll use it correctly today. Don't judge me. Turn it around. Like my hair, I have very strong eyebrows. So I was pleasantly surprised that this worked. Yeah. And then I got the REFY Brow Pomade as well in dark. Sorry, this is called the REFY Clear Brow Sculpt. And then this is the dark brow pomade. Has a brush on one side and the cream on this side. And then you just fill it in. Oh no. I put a little too much, a little too far down. Anyway, this is my first time doing it properly. Let's see. Okay, I think I got it. But look, that took no time at all. 7 minutes. And I think I'm good. Actually, I want to put the brown on my bottom waterline. I don't know if that's working. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I think that is good. Do y'all see a difference or am I bugging? Like, tell me the truth. In the bottom. Like, obviously in the sun you can definitely see it. But, yeah, no, I like it. I want to go and get breakfast. Damn. Okay. Okay. This thing is from Ghost Leak. Okay. Okay, so I've used this on my hair when it's straight. I've never used it on my blown out hair. Oh, forever. Forever. This was a wonderful purchase. Anyway, thank y'all for coming. I'm a happy camper. I will see you guys later.